Last but not least, we want to show you a business case where single pair Ethernet is produced on our BTSC. This stands for benchtop stripper crimper. As an introduction to single pair Ethernet, I would like to show you the following animation video from Rosenberg.
Industry is in flux. Digital connectivity and modularity are penetrating industrial technology and enabling highly flexible production. But often in the final layers of automation, connectivity still comes up against structural barriers. How can these barriers be overcome? With Single Pair Ethernet, or SPE for short, the next generation of Ethernet technology, which for decades has been one of the main arteries of industrial digitalization. SPE takes Ethernet connections, which traditionally have either 2 or 4 pairs of cables, and narrows them down to just 1 pair. This saves space and enables comprehensive, standardized communication between many devices via the Ethernet protocol. That way, SPE can rely on existing structures and lengthens the reach between active components to 1,000 meters. The support of power over data line, time-sensitive networking, and OPC unified architecture result in maximum flexibility and availability, protecting application security even in time-critical scenarios. The bottom line: Single Pair Ethernet is the key technology for Industry 4.0 and the Industrial Internet of Things. The old hierarchy of devices is being replaced by a multitude of smart devices which are connected according to consistent standards from the sensor all the way up to the cloud. That's how SPE enables flexible production processes and innovative solutions for every type of application. Single Pair Ethernet, infrastructure for the world of tomorrow.
Producing single pair Ethernet cable is different from producing conventional cables. The main differences are the following: twisted wires, short stripping length of the outer jacket, it is 8.3 millimeters, and very short length differences between the crimped terminals, plus minus 0.2 millimeters. With the following slides, I would like to inform you more details about these processes. With single pair Ethernet cable, the stripping length of the outer jacket is very short. Currently, lengths of 8.3 millimeters are standard. To guarantee this length, an accurate zero cut is important. The stripping length of the cores is depending on the type of contact being processed. Approximately wire section range from 0.30 square millimeters to 0.35 square millimeters. Core crimping is very important, just like with conventional cables. But because of the strict quality requirements and small tolerances, the crimping process at single pair Ethernet is even more critical. The terminals may not be twisted, the position differences between both terminals is very small, and due to the short dismantling length, the spreading of the wires is limited, which means that the positioning of the wires must be done very accurately. Our BTSC is the youngest member of our range of stripper crimpers. Its flexible construction with state-of-the-art technology makes it perfectly usable for the processing of single-pair Ethernet cables. Allow me to give you a brief overview of the different advantages of our BTSC. The fully programmable stripping unit with way-back function can guarantee perfect stripping of the conductors in several steps. The recut ensures a perfect stripping length. The servo-driven programmable X and Y movement of the cable clamp allows us to reach any position, and the repeatability of these movements ensures continuous quality. Our own crimping tools guarantee a perfect crimping, even with the short stripping lengths of the outer jacket of 8.3 millimeters. The integrated crimp force monitor monitors each individual crimp. When the crimp force monitor detects a bad crimp, the integrated bad piece cutter ensures that this crimp is cut off and cannot continue in the production flow. all settings can be done on the touchscreen and the parameters can be stored.